In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add board membership to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding expert in your field, showcasing your board memberships can enhance your professional presence online. Now let's get started with this simple process. First things first, head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll see options to sign in using Google or Microsoft. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password. Just a heads up, for those of you with two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity with a code that's sent to your phone number. It's just an added layer of security to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. You should see your avatar picture there. Go ahead and click on it, and then from the drop down select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile where all the magic happens. Beneath your profile picture you'll find an option labelled Add Profile section. Click on this button. A menu will appear with various options and you'll want to look for the one that says Additional. This section allows you to add more specialized content to your profile, including board memberships. Now within that drop down you'll see an option for Add Organizations. Select that and follow the prompts that LinkedIn provides. This is where you'll be entering the details about your board memberships. You'll want to list the name of each organization you're involved with, your membership status such as board member or just member, and you can also include the dates of your membership if you like. This information helps clearly convey the extent of your experience and involvement. For those of you who have made notable contributions within an organization, this is a perfect opportunity to highlight those achievements. Mentioning specific initiatives or projects you spearheaded can really showcase your leadership and contribution, painting a more comprehensive picture of your role and the value you brought to the table. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and showcase your board memberships on LinkedIn. This small addition can make a big impact, presenting you as a well-rounded professional. So take a moment to update your profile and let your engagements shine through. Happy networking.